Hello, everyone. My name is Diana. Today, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to use audience targeting when publishing a content using Sprout Social. To get started, let's open your Compose window on the upper right-hand side of your Sprout or simply click N on your keyboard. So we have Facebook and LinkedIn selected in our network selector because I want to post to both networks. Let's type something in here for our content. We have a Valentine's ring sale today. Happy Valentine's. Now, down below, you'll see a couple of buttons you can use in here. For this video, we'll focus on this bullseye icon. That's your audience targeting. Now, this is similar to your ad targeting, but here in Sprout, it's completely free because it's only looking at your existing audience or organic audience. Audience targeting is a powerful tool that allows you to reach specific segments of your audience with tailored messages. This is for Facebook and LinkedIn. Let's start with Facebook targeting options. Facebook offers several options for your post. You can limit your post, you can target your post, and you can also create an unpublished post. Let's say if you want to restrict the visibility of a post to a certain audience segment on your Facebook page, you can choose to limit your post. And limiting only works by geographic area, which means this post will only be seen by those who are in that chosen location, regardless of whether or not the post is shared to them or they visit my page. For our example here, we have a Valentine's ring sale, but the sale is only for my customers in the Philippines. So I would limit this post and select Philippines in here, which means I only want this post visible to my audience in the Philippines. If they're outside Philippines, they won't be able to see my post even if someone shared it to them or they go directly to my page. Second option we have here is when you want to ensure your post only shows up in the news feed of your chosen audience. You can target your post. Targeting will not restrict visibility of the post on your actual page, unlike limiting your post audience. For example, if I was to target only female audience who are single, this post will only potentially show up in the newsfeed of people who meet this requirement. The post will still be visible to anyone who goes to my page direct. You can also create an unpublished post or dark post directly from Sprout by ticking this icon, which will be sent to your Facebook Ad Manager for further ad customization. Moving on to your LinkedIn audience targeting option, LinkedIn allows targeting based on company size, industry, function, seniority, location, locales, and all those goodies. You can only target your post on LinkedIn. Unlike Facebook, LinkedIn has a requirement of at least 300 followers to enable targeting. You'll be able to see on the right-hand side of your screen if you're meeting the follower requirement. Alright folks, now that you know the basic of audience targeting, you're ready to compose targeted messages and watch your engagement soar. Thank you so much for joining me today. We'll see you next time. Happy targeting!